Hello everybody, today we are working on the amount of solute that can dissolve will vary. First thing, please put your name at the top if you have not already done so. My name is Miss Morodic. Please put your actual name. And then when this is due and then the hour that you have science class. So the big things we are continuing to still work on is we want to be able to determine if and when a physical or chemical change has occurred and prove that matter is conserved in any reaction. So what we're going to be doing is you're going to use this sheet to fill out and use the slides, use the slides to help fill out this page. Please, please, please make sure you're making this as a paper copy. If you don't have a paper copy, recreate it on blank paper because you will want to be able to reference this. So the helper video will be shown here as soon as it's made because it's being made right now. But then there's a little bit of bell work to kind of get you started of what type of a solution, supersaturated, diluted, or concentrated, each of these are going to be. Put this into present mode so you can see all of that information. And these are words that you can add to your study guide. You'll want to know these and they'll come in, we'll be talking more about them today, but we've already talked a teeny bit about these. We're going to continue working on that today. So start with that bell work, continuing going through our skills specifically for today is we want to be able to give examples of what factors impact solute dissolving. So when you put this into the present mode, you'll see the answers, they'll fly in one at a time. Please put it into present mode so you can see each thing come in. The best would be if you can please join with class, but if you're not, at least get the most information. And why I'm not making this a whole video with all of it is there's some videos in here, and I know that kind of gets annoying to try and watch a video that's been screen recorded. So go through as it's talking about them, add them one at a time. This is where being in class live would be the best, or joining class live. But as you go through, get all of those things. There is one that it talks about the hot snaps. That is where we had a super saturated solution. We talked about that when we did that lab, but those hot snaps are really just a super saturated solution. And so when you flip the little coin, there's enough activation energy that causes that reaction to happen. And that's how we get the warmth. So just kind of a fun little back to that. When you get to this chunk, there is a little spot that says which Alka-Seltzer tab will dissolve faster. So we're going to put that to the test and actually see what happens. There's a video that goes with that. Then after this, there's a chart that shows up on your back page, but that we're going to look at the very end of the slides. So keep going. Make sure you get all the information. And then here's that chart. First, make your predictions. Your predictions are not going to count for or against you if you have them correct or not, but make your prediction. Then watch the video and what happened. So say what happened when it was the cold seltzer water, the room temperature, and the warm seltzer water. And then based on this experiment, that'll tell you why do we serve sodas at cooler temperatures. And based on this experiment, why does soda pop lose its fizz quicker in the summer? When you're all done, make sure you finish up anything that's in the directions on Google Classroom. Please let your teacher know if you have any questions. And again, the best would be to have this as a paper copy. So please, please, please make this a paper copy in some way, even if you just need to recreate it on some blank paper. Let your teacher know if you have any questions. Otherwise, have a great day, guys. Bye.